Welcome. If you're having trouble getting Pinterest to open, you're not alone. Many users encounter this issue, but the good news is that there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix it. Let's dive into the solutions that can help you get back to pinning in no time. First, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for apps like Pinterest to function properly. To do this, open your device's settings and click on the network icon. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network. If your connection seems weak, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If your internet is working fine, the next step is to close the app and reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can resolve minor glitches that prevent it from opening. If that doesn't work, it's time to clear the app cache. This can often eliminate bugs and improve performance. Go into your device settings, find the Pinterest settings, and select the option to clear data. After that, choose to clear the cache and confirm this action. This process will refresh the app's stored data without deleting your personal information. Once you've cleared the cache, restart your device. This simple step can help reset any lingering issues that might be affecting app performance. After your device has rebooted, open Pinterest again and see if it launches properly. If you're still facing difficulties after trying these steps, consider updating the app if you haven't done so recently. Keeping your apps updated ensures you have the latest features and fixes. In summary, if Pinterest isn't opening for you, start by checking your internet connection, closing and reopening the app, clearing the app cache, and restarting your device. Following these steps should help you resolve most issues with Pinterest not opening. Happy pinning!